Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear family and friends, my Facebook followers, supporters, from one place to another. I'm here to clarify myself for those of you that are saying from our Facebook engagement, now we are in VIP group. So I'm here to clarify myself for those of you that are saying that I should stop doing my content with Hausa language, I have to do it with English language. So it's not that I cannot do my content with English language. I can try my best, but the reason is that I started this journey with Hausa people. They are the ones that support me from the initial place. They support me, they back me. Some of them, they are not even understanding what I'm doing, but they keep supporting me from the initial place. When I started this journey, I was having 2,000k followers, but now I'm having like 5,000 plus followers. And what I understand is that many of them, if I change my language now, they will not understand what I'm doing. So I'm from Ariwa. I have to do it with the Hausa language. I can do my content with different languages like Hausa, Fulani, English, or Arabic. But I prefer Hausa language because many from us understand Hausa than other languages. So I would like you to exercise patience to understand this group. We are inside the group to encourage each other so that we should help each other to grow up. Not that to understand everything. Many of us, we are not understanding what some people are doing. Especially like you, the way that you are complaining, you are not understanding what I'm doing. Even me too. Some of you are doing their content with Igbo language, some of them Yoruba, and the others. I cannot understand all these languages, but what I do is that I will go, when I watch your content, I'll go through comment section. If I don't understand what I do, I'll go through comment section and I'll scroll down to use 4 or 5 or 10 comment to understand. I'll just use 2 or 3 comment to build my own comment. That is the way I'm doing. I would like you to stay patient. Let us help each other, comment, like, and watch together. Before we didn't know each other, and now we are together in this group. We are helping each other to grow up. So one day we are not going to be together. Please stay patient. Let us just be doing what will help all of us. Not that it's not easy to be in this group myself, because the owner of the group, you know what he's doing. You know, he's not doing all this thing for the money. He's just doing to help us. So please, thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope I clarify myself for those of you that always ask me to change my language. Thank you so much. May God help us to grow up and monetize our all social media.